both folds. Unfold, fold the other way. Make sure that you can actually have creases on all of the sides. That way, you can do this number. Should be 4 even pieces. And up on both sides, back down half on both sides, then flip over like so, so that way you have that bit folded in. Then petal fold, which is much easier to do if you do this portion first. So you take and you fold that towards the center. You fold the other corner towards the center, right? And then once you've done that, it's actually much easier to fold that down so you get a crease there. And fold it back. Once you've done that, unfold these. And you should be able to fold back in along that crease pretty easily. Pretty straightforward, really. Unless you've folded already. Okay, if you've done that, go to the other side. You want to fold up to about the same point here that exists where this crease ends. That is the part you crease on both sides of this right here, like that. Once you do that, you take what's left up here, mount and fold it down in, like that, because you're creating the mount and fold there. And it ends up causing a valley for this one, but it is what it is. And then on the sides over here, come in and pull out these for the back horns. Well, try to anyway. They should line up pretty well in there, like so. Same on both sides. That way you have the back horns there. Now, fold the corners out, right? So you don't really want to flatten that. You just want to kind of bring it to that same point. So these are like this. And it should look like that on the inside. You're gonna flip it. And that's when you start doing the bottom corner folds here and here, right? You end up flipping it one more time. At this point, press it in That's how you end up with that shape right there. Okay, once you've done that, wait. I missed a step apparently. Where you do this, and you fold along on the inside there. This and that need to be like that so the horns are actually visible on the outside. You can, of course, make this a little bit tighter than I did. I wasn't terribly worried about that particular chunk, but I'm going to do so. Now, that way it looks a little, hopefully, smoother. There we go. Now back to this side. You want to take and fold this back and fold the mountain here. This mountain should match up with this edge. The rest of this should come into line basically with that mountain right there, like that, on both sides. So it's really this fold there and then this fold here. And that should give you the correct shape. Now, you'll also go and take, after you've done this part, you want to do a mountain and valley fold here to basically bring that back and force this to open up a little bit when it's down here. That way you end up with that shape. Now, I'm going to end up flipping it over again because it'll be easier to do this fold this way. You want to take and bring this together in, and underneath this chunk is where you do the reverse fold, and then you do the reverse fold one more time, so you end up with tail a little more like you should expect from a horseshoe crab. And you further do a mountain fold on each side to narrow the tail. And it should also add stability to that. Ta-da! You have the whole thing. Nice little horseshoe crab.